Okay, today it is the 25th of September 2020, and we are actually getting this residential building 100% fully completed right now. And this is Merisotilaantori, Katajanokka. Oh no, it's Soldaattoriet. Yeah, Soldaattoriet or whatever. And something like that, the switch. And it's staircase B, building 3 staircase B. We have filmed everything here.
It's Flotistoriet.
Flotistoriet. Yes, that's right. Yes, exactly. Flotist was the word. Not used so often. This is a Valmet elevator that was also built in 1983. It's late 1983 because this residential building was completed in 1984. Not 6 floors, and it's this fast and efficient. Only 6 floors.
Yeah.
Valmet, this fast. But I think all the staircases is the same. 6 floors also.
Yeah.
But it's great to have so fast and efficient elevators in Finland.
Yeah.
Only for 6 floors. But even faster, we are in the same speed with 5 floors. We have filmed several.
Yeah.
And even a 1979 Koni with 5 floors. Alright.
Yeah.
And the serial number is VS6488. The capacity is 4% 300 kilograms. It turned 35 years old in 2018. And it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2021.
Inspektiittaakin inspektoimaan eteenpäin pääkaupunkiserviisikeskus.
Yeah. Wrong maintenance company.
Yeah.
But better than Schindler.
Yeah.
There's no memory. And there is a floor U, the attic floor, ullakko.
Yeah.
Wind in Swedish. But no basement floor here. Alright. So thank you very much for watching. That's it.
That's